Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is this basically. Person died. He died due to assume that pneumonia. Pneumonia was basically he basically got pneumonia from set of words combination after a certain time. Pneumonia basically immediately basically doesn't come basically. That basically comes after certain activities. Lots of things basically happen. Then only basically then basically second birth from same body for that particular set of words basically. Who is this group basically? Words who ended this person basically, that is first verse and second birth basically. This everything basically, most of thing basically we have seen basically. So here the main thing is universe basically. Minimum age in universe is 1 lakh year of earth planet time. So you can just imagine basically. So this thing basically, most of thing basically we have discussed. And here the thing basically which we are discussing, that is this topic, that is tsunami basically. This tsunami basically was triggered by this group. And this basically is going to this is the date basically. January 22nd, 2024 is the date basically. For this date basically, the work is supposed to be finished. Work is supposed to be finished on time, and there is not supposed to be any type of problem basically. For that basically somebody has done this. That is Tamil Nadu. In from Tamil Nadu basically the earthquake basically, sorry, the tsunami happened. But it might possible that the tsunami which Tamil Nadu got, that also basically was triggered by some other country basically. We are basically discussing that Tamil Nadu basically, right? But it might possible that basically it might be in the sea basically. This tsunami basically might be getting triggered if from the sea basically, since 500 years basically. After the 500 years basically might be possible that in Tamil Nadu basically this got activated. That means in sea basically from 500 years basically the process basically might be happening, and that basically might be doing by satellite group basically, and might be possible, but it's 100% basically we are not sure basically. Then basically the Tamil Nadu got the tsunami, and these all are the words basically, and these all are the city energies which are basically controlled by the software company name, which is controlled by the software company, and which is going to impact to 250 countries, 100% going to impact. So as per the task basically of this group basically, that is this group basically, this group basically, this group basically want to start Ram Mandir inauguration basically in 22nd January 2024. So this is the date, right, basically. So in this date basically the work is supposed to be happen. Sorry, the mandir is, temple is supposed to start basically. For that basically they have done this everything basically. So for this basically they have done this everything basically. For this basically they have done this everything. Lots of people says that basically this group basically who might be handling everything basically, they might be basically having some mahal also, they might be staying in the mahal also, and from mahal basically, mahal means like in Vadodara city the Sayajira Gaikwad mahal is there. So that might possible that basically this also basically like this basically mahal might be there basically. From that mahal basically they might be controlling the each and every stuff of the Ram Mandir temple. Might be possible, but 100% not sure. So 250 countries data that particular mahal basically might be having, and they are basically telling that basically this all are the impact which is going to happen, and this process mostly basically this words process mostly might be running since more than 200 years. More than basically. Just taking as an example, assume that basically. Because whatever tsunami basically which comes from the seaside basically, that basically minimum year basically is of 200 year basically. Minimum basically I am telling you. Because the processing still happening. That's why basically after the processing only it gets converted to the tsunami na basically. Tsunami, how basically the power of the air basically gets generates. That they are doing the process since 200 years basically. It's not 1 or 2 years basically. It's not 1 or 2 years, it's 200 years basically. That's why the tsunami power is up to that level basically. That's why basically the tsunami power is up to that level basically. So here basically we saw that basically USA has got the ice impact, UK got the ice impact, each and everything basically they are verifying it. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Dubai, some other countries basically also might be getting triggered basically, and this is the most dangerous thing basically. In this basically, this part basically is connected. That means few people says that basically Sri Ram Hanumanji basically still exist in the universe basically. They basically still exist in the universe. The story basically still exists in the universe. So minimum universe age basically is 1 lakh year. So this thing basically connects to this whole thing basically. So there one person asked the question basically, what is the power of this Ayodhya Ram Mandir basically? Then he basically told that from here basically how we can connect this, how basically we can connect that Ram Mandir power basically here basically. Then he told that basically we will discuss in the next video basically how Ram Mandir basically power is connected, because temple has not created yet basically. It has to create, so this has to successfully create, so that basically in future basically no problem basically will occur. So this is the dangerous thing basically. On the base of this only the entire Ram Mandir basically is getting created. That is this basically. So next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this basically.